Hi guys, good morning. Yo, we are at WALTERMART, San Fernando. WALTERMART, San Fernando.
So good afternoon everyone. So I'm Miss Jen ako, no?
I'm Zep, owner po ng Uncle Ben Barber Shop. So si Uncle Ben Barber Shop is open to all ages, no? From 1 hanggang. Ayan, hanggang kaya pa. Ayan, oo.
Actually, ang nagiging routine ng mga mommies and daddies, while the mommy is doing the salon, so yung daddy nandito sa amin sa kabila. So nagpapabarber, grooming siya.
Yung una is yun, siyempre ako lalaki din na mahilig magpagupit. Ako every 2 weeks kasi, yan. So palaging malinis yung side. Oo. Tapos yung anak ko din na lalaki, yun, mahilig din siya magpagupit. So, kaya yun, naisip namin na bakit hindi na lang kaya tayo mag-put up ng business sa business. Yung anytime, pwede kami magpagupit.
Roam around from intersection up to Sindahan. So now, that's why we think talaga na makapag-open yung sarili. First, syempre, not just for us, no? Pero for all the Pampangueños na para makapag-pagupit. At the same time, yun nga, yung quality, they can experience the quality. Pari ka nga, it's a great place to have a haircut. Very affordable kasi yung price namin. No? We wanted everyone na makapagpagupit dito sa Uncle Ben and experience the quality cut ng mga barbero natin.
Yun, so maliban sa haircut, pag-usapan naman natin yung mga other services nila dito sa Uncle Ben. So other services nila, so meron tayong head massage, face massage with hot towel, meron din tayong arm massage, back massage, half body massage, at syempre yung kanilang deluxe body massage chair. So habang nag-iintay ka ng pila sa haircut, pwede yung subukan yung mga other services nila. So ako, susubukan ko muna yung mga other services nila, magpapamassage tayo.
Alright, so isa sa mga services na ina-enjoy ngayon ni Mark, ayan, yung back massage or yung dry massage na tawag nila, ayan. So, if you had a, really tough day right after mong magpagupit, you can have a relaxing time like what Jan is experiencing right now.
We have a loyalty card, no, na binibigay sa mga first-timer client namin dito. And for that loyalty card, for every visit, they can avail the discount, special discount. And until such na matapos nila yung loyalty card, they will get a free haircut dito sa barber shop.
Visit us here in 2nd floor, WALTERMART, San Fernando.
So we're open 7 days, no? It's 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. So eventually, we're located at 2nd floor WALTERMART Mall, San Fernando. For online booking, you can reach us at www.unclebenbarbershop. So you can book specifically kung sino yung barbero na gusto nilang mag-pick ng kanilang special haircut, the time, the date. So, and of course, they can also call us. So it's very easy lang. So, and of course, yung mga walk-ins, you're very welcome. So meron tayong barbero dito, quality na ibigay na service. Yun.